Someone had said once that, well, you don't have any thickness, so how can you block heat? And I thought, perfect. That thinking is the old traditional insulation materials you got. Okay, this is J.E. with SBI Coatings, and we're going to talk about absorption of heat. Now, we've talked in the past about how to block the radiational waves, and if we can block the short wave and the long wave, which is 40 and 57% of the heat, then we can reduce the amount of heat that is able to absorb into the surface and then come inside into the cool side and absorb into the material. I know that someone had said once that, well, you don't have any thickness, so how can you block heat? And I thought, perfect. That thinking is the old traditional insulation materials you got, that it starts to absorb, because it doesn't reflect off anything. It just starts to absorb. And as it comes through, then it's tested only at 75 degrees in a laboratory. And so you have come through and it's starting to absorb, and they say, well, if it didn't work good enough, you need to put more thickness in because it's going to absorb it all the way in. What if you didn't absorb 100% of it? What if you only absorbed 4%? At the end of the day, when the sun goes down, the inside of the house goes cool that quick, instead of unloading all that heat that was absorbed in the traditional insulation materials. So thank you.